So today I'm going to show you how to make cauliflower steaks on the grill. It's actually pretty dang good. So let's be honest, who wants cauliflower for dinner? And who thinks about cauliflower when you're going outside to cook meat? Not me. That's not something I think about. But I ran across this recipe a couple years ago. I tried it back then. I said, why not? Something different, why not? And I was going to make it as a side for some meat that I was cooking. I'll be damned if that didn't take the star of the show, the cauliflower. Everybody, all my family loved the cauliflower that I cooked over the meat that I cooked. I don't remember what I put it with. So now every so often I'll throw some cauliflower on the grill and actually cook up some cauliflower steaks for the family. Who would have thought? But you try it and you decide. I actually think it's really good and all my family loves it, so give it a shot. Try it.
Okay, to start off, you're going to need some extra virgin olive oil. That's important. A little salt and pepper. I have mine mixed together here. Some garlic powder, paprika, parsley, and sriracha sauce. Now, the sriracha sauce is optional. I like mine with a little spice to it. Now, when you cut the cauliflower, just make sure that you leave that stem intact. It's what's going to hold that cauliflower together when you're cutting it into the steaks. So cut it right down the middle, down the center, and then 2 off each side. I went ahead and cut a 3rd one here just because I had the little extra cauliflower there. Keep your crumbs as well. Alright, go ahead and apply the olive oil to the top of the cauliflower. Flip them over, do the same on the other side. Go ahead and put your seasoning on, all except the parsley. Now that paprika comes out fast, so make sure that you put that on your hand first and then sprinkle it on so you're not having globs of paprika on there. Brush in your sriracha so it can get thoroughly into the little crevices of the cauliflower. You know how I do my videos. I like to put every step in there, so including clean your grill. Get it hot, clean it down real good. Alright, time to cook. Let's go ahead and throw the cauliflower onto the grill. I use one side for the steaks, the other side I put a tin foil down, and all the crumbs can go on there. Scrape all the spices onto your tin foil. After about 10 minutes or so, go ahead and flip your cauliflower. I move the larger chunks off the tin foil so they can get the grill marks. After 10 minutes on the other side, go ahead and pull them. They're almost ready. Let's put some parsley flakes on there, very light. Ready to feed the family. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's definitely something that you should try if you haven't tried it already. And as always, you can see I do a simple step-by-step guide to all these outdoor cooking recipes. Try to keep it very simple and straightforward, and I'll put every step of the process so that you can see. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.